Hey, what's up, fellows? Yes, it's me. If you have ever asked this question, especially if you're over 40 and starting your IT career, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a home IT lab without spending hundreds of dollars. We're going to use your personal computer and an amazing technology called VirtualBox, provided by Oracle. And yes, it's completely free. No cost to you whatsoever. This is the start of a completely new series that will change the way you learn IT. Are you ready for this? Let's dig. So guys, we just wrapped up our series called Common IT Skills for Beginners Over 40. If you missed it, make sure to check it out. It builds the foundation that you will need for hands-on lab that we're going to perform in the future video. Now it's time to take everything one step further. This VirtualBox series is where you're going to start practicing real IT skills safely, confidently, and without the fear of breaking your main computer. By the end of this series, you'll be able to build multiple virtual machines, install Windows and Linux, practice networking and permissions, create an Active Directory environment, run snapshots and backup, and experiment freely and break things without breaking your real PC. This is exactly the kind of hands-on experience IT managers like myself want to see if you have never worked an IT job before. So let's start with the basics. What is VirtualBox? Think of it as multiple computers inside your computer. How's that possible? It's called virtualization. You can see it, but you can't feel it. Sort of like your ex-girlfriend. It lets you install and run multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Windows Server without touching your real machine. It gives you everything you need for a full IT lab with no extra hardware, no risk, no cost, and freedom to test, break, and reset and learn anything you want. So before we go any further, let me show you what you'll eventually build because it's way more powerful than most beginners expect. With just VirtualBox, you can run a Windows 11 workstation, a Linux system for command line and server practice, and a Windows Server machine running Active Directory, all together on one machine. Isn't that exciting? These machines can talk to each other just like a real office network. You'll be able to test things like adding and managing users, resetting passwords, joining computers to the domain, troubleshooting network and DNS issues, and simulating real help desk tickets. In other words, you will have a mini data center running on your home PC. And yes, we will build all of that in this series. So why is VirtualBox especially important if you're starting your IT career at 40? Because when you're changing careers, you can't afford to mess up your main computer. You don't want to buy expensive hardware, and you absolutely need hands-on experience to get that job. VirtualBox gives you the same practical skills IT teams use every day, such as system administration, networking, file systems and permissions, Active Directory, and troubleshooting. You can pause a virtual machine, take a snapshot, try something risky, and if you don't like it, roll back instantly. That freedom to experiment builds real confidence. And here's something which beginners don't realize. Guys, virtualization is the backbone of modern IT. Companies like Google, Facebook, Nvidia, and Amazon run massive data centers built on virtualization technology. So when you learn VirtualBox, you're also learning concepts that transfer directly to VMware, Hyper-V, and cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. These concepts are universal and they're high in demand. So here's how this series is structured. In the next video, we'll install VirtualBox plus extension pack on Windows 11 machine. In video number 3, create your first Windows virtual machine. In video number 4, we'll install Ubuntu Linux. Video number 5, we'll install Windows Server plus Active Directory. In video number 6, we're going to cover networking inside VirtualBox. In video number 7, we're doing snapshots, cloning, and backups in VirtualBox. And last but not least, in video number 8, we're going to build a full help desk practice environment. Every video is beginner friendly, especially if you're starting your IT career later in life. All right, now that you understand what VirtualBox is and why it's one of the most powerful tools for IT beginners, it's time to take the next step and set up your home lab. And guys, listen, if you're starting your IT career at 40, I want you to hear this very clearly. You can do this. You're not too old, you're not behind, and you're not late. In fact, you have something young tech learners don't: discipline, patience, real-world experience, and the ability to stay focused. This journey is going to be exciting, eye-opening, and honestly, a lot of fun. You're going to build things you didn't even know you could do. So make sure you subscribe and like this video and comment below if you're starting your IT career after 40. I'd love to hear a story and cheer you on. We're building this together step by step, and I promise you're going to surprise yourself with how fast you'll learn. So that's it, folks. Until next time, take care of yourself and others around you, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.